Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
We should leave soon. It's almost time.
I can't believe it's actually happening. My nerves are all over the place.
Stay calm. Breathe. We'll take it step by step.
I'll try. But what if this goes wrong, Ryan?
Then we handle it like we always do.
Right. We've faced tough things before.
Exactly. This is no different.
I've replayed this in my head so many times. But now, I don't know what to expect.
Neither do I. But we'll be cautious.
This place, it's far from the city. Feels like we're going to the middle of nowhere.
That's what makes it suspicious, but also the best place to hide something.
I hope we're not walking into a trap.
I've got your back, Chloe. We'll be ready for anything.
Thanks, Ryan. I couldn't do this without you.
This is it.
Yeah, that's the building from the note.
It looks completely deserted. No lights, no signs of life.
That's what worries me. Why here?
There's a reason he chose this spot. We just don't know what it is yet.
I'll go in. You stay here, like we agreed.
I don't like this, Chloe. Are you sure?
I have to do it alone. You promised.
All right, but be careful. If you're not out in 10 minutes, I'm coming in.
Deal.
You've got this, Chloe.
Here goes nothing.
You came.
Who's there?
You've been looking for answers. Now you'll get them.
Show yourself. I'm not playing games.
I'm the one who left the note.
Why? What do you want from me?
It's not about what I want. It's about what you need to know.
What do you mean?
Your father. He's not who you think he is.
What are you talking about? My father is an honest man.
You've been lied to, Chloe. Your entire life.
Number, I don't believe you.
You will, once you know the truth.
What truth? Stop speaking in riddles.
There are things your father has hidden from you. Things that could change everything.
Like what? Tell me.
It's not my place to say, but you'll find out soon enough.
Why should I trust you? You're a stranger.
Because I've been in your shoes. I know what it's like to be kept in the dark.
Who are you?
Someone who knew your father a long time ago.
Knew him? How?
That's a story for another time. Right now, you need to focus on what's coming.
What's coming?
Danger. You and your father are in the middle of something much bigger than you realize.
Bigger? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about people who want to destroy everything your father built.
What? Why?
Because of what he knows and what he's been hiding from you.
This is too much. I don't understand.
You will. But for now, you need to be careful. They're coming for you too.
Who's they? Who are these people?
People who don't care who gets hurt as long as they get what they want.
And what do they want?
The truth. The same truth your father has been protecting all these years.
You keep talking about this truth. Just tell me already.
The truth isn't easy to accept, Chloe. Once you know, your life will never be the same.
I don't care. I need to know. I deserve to know.
Your father, he wasn't just a businessman. He worked for people, dangerous people.
That's not possible. My father's a good man. He would never.
That's what he wanted you to believe. He spent years covering his tracks, hiding his past.
What kind of people are we talking about?
The kind that deals in secrets, power, and control. He was part of something bigger, something dark.
Number, he would have told me. He wouldn't have kept this from me.
He did it to protect you, but now it's caught up with him and with you.
Why didn't he just leave? Why didn't he get out?
You don't just leave, Chloe, not when you know what he knows.
And what does he know? What could be so dangerous?
He has information that could bring down powerful people, people who will do anything to silence him.
What kind of information?
Names, secrets, deals made in the shadows. If it ever got out, it would destroy everything they've built.
You're saying he's in danger because of this?
Not just him, you too. They know who you are, Chloe.
But why? I don't know anything.
It doesn't matter. You're his daughter. That makes you a target.
What am I supposed to do? How do I stop this?
You can't stop it, but you can protect yourself. Leave. Disappear before they come for you.
Disappear? I can't just run away from this.
It's your only option. They won't stop until they get what they want.
Number, I'm not running. If my father is in danger, I'm going to help him.
That's exactly what they're counting on. They'll use you to get to him.
Then what do? I can't just sit and do nothing.
Find him before they do.
I don't even know where to start. He disappeared days ago.
I can help you. I know where he is.
You know where my father is? Where?
He's in hiding, in a safe house outside the city, but it won't be safe for long.
Why didn't you tell me this earlier?
Because once you go to him, there's no turning back. You'll be in this, just like he is.
I'm already in it. Now tell me where he is.
This is the address. But be careful. You're not the only one looking for him.
Thank you. I'll find him, and I'll make sure he's safe.
Good luck, Chloe. You're going to need it.
Comment your feedback, like and subscribe our channel.